Hi frugal friends, welcome to your daily dose of frugality. On the YouTube channel is Fire for Me. We are currently reading 365 Ways to Live Cheap by Trent Ham, and we are cruising through the automobile section. And yes, in case you were wondering, that pun was in fact intentional. We are on number 42 in this book, which is Don't Speed, Instead Use Cruise Control. It's tempting to speed when you're driving somewhere, particularly when the commute is long. But speeding is an incredibly expensive trade-off. It reduces your fuel efficiency, making the trip itself cost more. It puts more wear and tear on your automobile, increasing the chances of a necessary repair. It also increases the chance of an accident, as speeding gives you less time to react. If that's not enough, you also run the danger of being issued a speeding ticket, which has not only a direct cost but can raise your insurance rates as well. The cost of speeding, both potential and real, just to save a few minutes on a trip aren't worth it. Instead, just set the cruise control to the speed limit for long driving stretches. This will keep you from being tempted to speed. Well, I guess it's confession time. I am a chronic speeder. I typically go about 5 miles per hour over the speed limit. Usually that's on the highway. If I'm on more rural or residential streets, I don't tend to speed, but on the highway, if it's 60 miles per hour here in the States, I usually try and go about 65. I don't try, it's just kind of unconscious. But I know that this tip has a lot of really good points in it, and I do think that I would like to apply them to my driving because I think that I would be a safer driver, and I think that it will reduce all of the costs that they say. So I am going to make a commitment to speed less and use my cruise control more. Usually on longer trips, I'm pretty good about setting my cruise control, but I'll often set my cruise control for 5 miles per hour over the speed limit. So I would love to hear if you are a speeder as well, or if you are a very safe driver who follows the speed limit. And if you've noticed that there are differences in costs related to speeding versus not speeding, I would love to hear about those below as well. And I will see you back here tomorrow as we work our way through the automobile section of 365 Ways to Live Cheap. Thank you for tuning in.